There are messes, and then there are messes. For the latter, your best bet is to probably break out a Wet Dry Vac, which is a heavy-duty vacuum that sucks up everything from water and sawdust to nails and screws with equal vigor. And this weekend, we're talking about one we found that's pretty cool. Vacmasters Beast Series offers a 14-gallon stainless steel tank Wet Dry Vac that tackles the toughest cleanup projects, whether on the job site, around the shop, or in the garage. It's a great choice if you find yourself having a variety of different types of messes in a day. It has a strong suction and a filter that doesn't clog easily. Its stainless steel material ensures that it won't rust and can last for several years with extended use. One of the specialist aspects of this vacuum is its attachments. This Wet Dry Vac comes standard with a wide variety of accessories, so you have the tools to get the job done no matter what. Vacmasters Beast Series 14-gallon Wet Dry Vac goes for $209.99, and you can find out more at HouseSmartsRadio.com.